Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Tokina 135 2.8. Let's be honest, there are a few reasons why I bought this lens, and the most important one is the built-in sun hood. Jokes aside, it was on sale for 20 euros. It's a small, compact, rugged 135mm 2.8, so I just said, heck, I'll get it. And I must say, I'm not disappointed. This really is a rugged, compact, easy to carry telephoto lens. And that 2.8 aperture is not that easily found, this focal length on older vintage lenses. Usually they are more like 3.5 or even f4, so the 2.8 is nice to have. I did some researching on the internet, as I usually do when I get a new lens, well, a new old lens. But this is one of those instances where I couldn't really find much about this Tokina. Different people say different things about this lens. Some say it's from the 60s, some from the 70s, some say it's multi-coated, some say it's not. Honestly, I don't even care about all this stuff. If it works good and the images looks good, I'm fine with that. On that note, let's roll some samples, see you after that. Definitely, we cannot say this lens is optically perfect. It has a strong chromatic aberration, a strong magenta and green hue on high contrast areas, and it's kind of soft, and obviously being a telephoto lens, more often than not it's quite difficult to keep it stabilized even with a stabilized sensor, but I like it. It has some character to it, not too strong like the Helios, for example, but it's kinda subtle, kinda, whispered more than screamed, or something like that. Otherwise, well, it's an old manual lens, it's easy to operate, easy to understand, and reliable. It's kind of hefty, but I mean, it has kind of a big piece of glass on it, and it's all metal. Ouch. Anyway, I'll be honest, there's not much to say about this lens. I like it, I'll keep it. My only complaint is that this specific one comes in a Konica AR mount, so I cannot use it on my film camera, my Praktica MTL5, but I like it, I'll keep it. And if you have anything more that you know about this lens, please let me know in the comments, because I don't care, but I like to know. Yeah, I'm weird. That said, that's all. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!